Is this a dagger which I see before me, the handle towards my hand? Come, let me clutch thee. I have thee not, and yet I see thee still. Art thou not, fatal vision sensible to feeling as to sight, or art thou but a dagger of the mind of false create? Listen, honestly, I would love to be a Shakespearean actor, but there's about as much chance of that as, I don't know, me being a prima ballerina. But the reason I was able to do that little bit, and the reason I'm still talking right now, is because I'm using a teleprompter. Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's episode of Content Creator Confessions, I'm going to be honest and tell you I am, of course, using a teleprompter. Now I know you're all thinking, but Mark, you're such a natural, with such incredible delivery, and your knowledge on all subjects is so vast. Why would you ever need a teleprompter? The truth is, I kind of thought that myself until the producer told me how much footage we were recording and storing because of my complete inability to remember 3 words in a row, and thus having to read off a script that is sometimes like over this side and sometimes over that side. When you're looking for a teleprompter, there are hundreds of different units out there. They all allow you to read something that you truly don't understand, but you can make eye contact with the camera, and that gives you some sort of authority. We reached out to the fine folks at PrompterPeople, and they very generously sent us a Proline Plus Talent Monitor teleprompter. This system comes in the sizes ranging from a 12-inch teleprompter monitor and a 15.5-inch HD SDI talent monitor up to the one which we are using, a 19 regular inch monitor with a 21.5-inch HD SDI talent monitor. The 20-inch wide trapezoidal mirror comes with 65-35 beam splitting glass, reflecting 35% of the light from the monitor for clearer reading, with 70-30 glass available at no additional cost. It has a wide viewing angle of 35 degrees in either direction of center, which allows for 3 people to easily sit at a table and read from a single teleprompter. The Proline prompters are available with a removable camera sled. You can remove the sled with just one knob to break it down for easier transport, or to use it with the 15-inch millimeter rail attachment for a handheld use, or have the prompter freestanding with the camera placed right behind it. Now, if you think I recited all that information from memory, you would certainly be wrong. I've been reading, of course, from a teleprompter. Another great use for a teleprompter is video conferencing. As I'm a very important person, I have lots of video calls. And one of the things I hate the most about them is that I'm either looking at the faces on the screen or I'm looking at the camera, but never seem to be able to do both. But by using the teleprompter, I'm able to look directly at the people I'm talking to and project that fake sincerity that we all know and love. In summary, folks, I try and honestly do as much as I can off the cuff, but when I'm actually trying to deliver information that's important to get right, I use teleprompter, and it has really made a difference to how long it takes us to shoot stuff and how professional we appear when we do it. So massive thank you to the people at PrompterPeople. We love the product. We're using it just about every shoot, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.